13 bogus fitness tips according to experts. 1. There's only one ideal time of day to work out. Work out when it fits your schedule, morning, noon, or night. 2. Exercise is the only way to lose weight. Losing weight is 80% diet, 20% exercise. 3. The longer your gym session, the fitter you are. Nope. Try high-intensity interval training for a quick, effective sweat session. 4. Muscle turns into fat, and fat turns into muscle. Muscle and fat are two separate tissues. Muscle fibers get bigger. Fat burns away. 5. Lifting weights make you bulky. You have to eat a lot to bulk up. Lifting weights is good for your body and your brain. 6. Artificial sweeteners are better than regular sugar. Fake sugar is carcinogenic, wrecks your gut bacteria, and makes you crave sweets. 7. You have to change everything at once. Nope. Instead, make 3 small lifestyle changes. Stick with them, then make 3 more. 8. You have to be fit to go to the gym. That's like saying you have to be a celebrity chef to cook your own food. 9. Calories in, calories out is the best way to lose weight. Food quality and your carb, fat, and protein intake are way more important. 10. Carbs are evil. Not all carbs are the same. Broccoli? Awesome. White bread? Not so good. 11. It's better to eat small meals throughout the day. It depends on what you eat, when you eat it, and your activity levels. 12. X type of workout is better than Y. Different workouts accomplish different goals. Do whatever motivates you to move. 13. This diet doesn't work. You didn't gain 40 pounds overnight. Focus on small steps to reach your long-term goal. Learn more at blog.bulletproof.com and subscribe to Bulletproof on YouTube today.